Welcome to a charming and thoughtfully designed one-bedroom home in the heart of Boston. Step inside to a spacious living area filled with natural light, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or working from home. The smart layout provides comfort and flexibility, making the most of every square foot. The bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with beautiful wooden floors and a calm atmosphere ideal for restful nights. The elegant bathroom completes the home with a clean and well-designed finish. The kitchen features sleek stainless steel appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, providing a clean and modern look with the functionality you need for cooking at home. Whether preparing a quick breakfast or hosting a cozy dinner, this kitchen makes it easy. This is an ideal opportunity to enjoy comfortable, efficient living in one of Boston's most desirable areas. Reach out today to learn more about how to make this charming apartment your next home.